In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an outdoor boxing ring that's portable and can be set up in just about any field.
The materials you'll need are 2 1-inch PVC pipes, 2 wooden dowels, 3/8-inch paracord, and 4 end caps. We're going to start off by cutting each pipe in half to 5 feet. Now the pipe is actually around 10 feet and 1 inch, so you have to adjust your measurements to end up with 4 equal 5-foot lengths of PVC. So just set them aside for now, as we're going to move on to the wooden dowels. This is essentially the same process of cutting each piece in half to get 4 equal lengths, this time being 2-foot pieces. Once you have your sections, it's time to sharpen them using a blade, preferably one that isn't a box cutter. Now, a normal boxing ring has ropes at heights of 18, 30, 42, and 54 inches above from the ground, but for simplicity's sake, I'm drilling 1-inch holes at 30 and 54 inches on the pipe. A quick tip for drilling larger holes is to start with a smaller bit. This way the bit doesn't drift. So now it's time to put everything together. Start off by pounding each stake 16 feet apart. Then slide the PVC pipe over the stake and string the paracord through the holes. Make sure to apply enough tension so that the ropes aren't loosely hanging. And that's how you build a boxing ring in your backyard. So now it's time for a quick little fight to test it out.
Round 1. Fight!
It's Christian on the beer.